Alrighty, next one in our premium starter kit with Young Living is Peace and Calming. The bottle I'm going to show you is actually 15 mLs. The bottle that you will receive in your premium starter kit is 5 mLs. So you are going to receive a bottle that is this color. It's going to be this size though in your premium starter kit. So this is just what I had to show everybody. So Peace and Calming, just like the name says, it is for bringing a sense of peace and calm to everybody around. So even when you're wearing this, you might even benefit some of the people around you by yourself being calm and them smelling the calm and peaceful oil that you're wearing. So this is a blend of tangerine, orange, ylang ylang, patchouli, and blue tansy. And I will say this one has a blue-green color to it, so you might want to be careful if you're going to put it on around any of your light-colored clothing. Might be something that you put on, rub in, and then put your clothes on. So again, this is Peace and Calming. It comes in the premium starter kit from Young Living. Go ahead and click subscribe on our YouTube page of Young Living the Good Life, and you will know all about all of the premium starter kit oils and so many more products that we have. We'll see you on the next video.